In myelofibrosis, standard practice is to use JAK inhibitors like Ruxolitinib most of the time to control the spleen and symptoms, and then you balance your medication not to cause too much of anemia. Now, low counts many times prevent optimal delivery of a JAK inhibitor, so we have many patients that are benefiting to some degree to JAK inhibitor therapy, but not optimally. We call these suboptimal responders. They are better, but they are not optimally treated because of different issues. So adding another agent to people who are already on a JAK inhibitor but are suboptimal responders is the valuable way of developing new medications. Parsaclisib is the PI3 kinase delta inhibitor, inhibits an accessory pathway inside the malignant cells that may actually prevent JAK inhibitors from working properly. That's the biological side of the problem. And so we have studies now with this agent, Parsaclisib, PI3 kinase delta inhibitor, where we do exactly this. We have patients that are benefiting from JAK inhibitors to some degree. They're on stable dose of JAK inhibitors, but there is room for improvement. We add the Parsaclisib. Now, this is the phase 3 randomized study that is underway for possible approval of this agent as additional agents, add-on agent to JAK inhibitors to be used in combination to optimize the care of our patients.